The Philippines form an ocean region that has long been recognized as the world center of marine biodiversity.
The idea of being the center of the center came out of a study by Ken Carpenter and Victor Springer in 2005, where they noted that there is a higher concentration of species per unit area in the Philippines than anywhere else in this region.
A 2005 report suggests that the Philippines is not only part of the center, but is in fact the epicenter of marine biodiversity, with the richest concentration of marine life on the entire planet.
The Benham Rise, a 13 million hectare area located east of Luzon Island and a part of Isabela Province extended continental shelf, was awarded to the country after it was recognized by the United Nations as part of the Philippine territory.
In 2016, Chinese vessels were spotted surveying Benham Rise for 3 months without the knowledge and permission of DFA. The Department of National Defense earlier this year raised a concern over Chinese vessels spotted in Benham Rise off the northeastern portion of the Philippines landmass. It is said that one vessel lingered from September to November without a research permit.
But in January 2018, China was granted the approval of the Philippine government to conduct marine scientific research in the area. Several marine scientists and organizations encouraged the people of the country to continue protecting the gift of marine biodiversity in the research-rich continental shelf.
In 2016, on board the government research vessel MVDA-BFAR, marine scientists from Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources and the University of the Philippines, along with the members of Oceana Philippines, have sailed to Benham Rise to explore its marine biodiversity.
The group explored Benham Bank, the shallowest portion of the vast seamount. Researchers did extensive analyses of the marine life in Benham Bank by providing technical diver videographers to get more footage. During the first expedition in 2014, scientists were able to cover 5 stations and dive for 25 minutes.
With the cutting-edge technology, scientists were able to explore Benham Rise and extensively study the underwater terrain of Benham Bank for a longer period of time without risking the life of the divers.
The team were able to use the data from remotely operated vehicle or ROV that took underwater photos and videos for 2 hours on a daily basis. Another equipment used in the expedition is the Baited Remote Underwater Video System or BRUVS.
BRUVs uses a footage from 2 cameras attached to a frame with a fish bait at the center. It also uses a special software to estimate fish sizes and the number of fish seen at any given time, avoiding the problem with double counting of fish that occurs in manual service.
According to Oceana, Benham Bank, recently renamed Philippine Rise, is a rare exception to common coral reef trouble. Its reefs have dodged fishing pressure and pollution because they're so far offshore. Ocea Surveillance Explorer Robot for Benham Rise, or Ocea, is a remotely controlled device that is designed to apply technology and robotics techniques to explore the ocean water of Benham Rise and protect the area's sovereignty, including its marine biodiversity. Temperature sensor attached to the bottom part of Ocea functions as a detector of increase in the ocean's temperature, the leading cause of coral bleaching. A pH sensor is another feature of Ocea that monitors the pH level of the ocean water or how basic or acidic it is. Scientists observe 100% coral cover in several sites with a wide variety of colorful branching and plate corals. One of the biggest threats on their health is coral bleaching.
Corals have a symbiotic relationship with microscopic algae that lives in their tissue. When the symbiotic relationships become stressed due to an increased ocean temperature or pollution, the algae leave the coral tissue. Coral bleaching will now occur, and the coral loses its major source of food, turns white or very pale, and more susceptible to disease.
As we continue to discover its marine biological diversity, we should also start preparing to conserve and protect what's ours.